Okay. This is a native Yaupon. These guys are everywhere. If you look into the forests in Houston, this is what you see as the low greenery that's covering all the ground. But sometimes in the woodlands and other areas, if you want a really native plant, this is your guy. Very disease resistant. The birds love him because during the winter months it puts on great red berries for the birds. There's two varieties. There's a male and a female. One will put on berries for you and the other one won't. The other one that's really great is, in fact, you can prune him and get him to be kind of a cool, almost like a bonsai type look with pruning him with a little bit of shaping. Or I've seen him people, if they prune him enough, you can't even shape him like a topiary if you want to. Size-wise, they kind of top out at about 15 feet. They do flower, but it's so insignificant that you really can't even see it. They're deer resistant. They're very, very drought tolerant. This guy is really a perfect plant for Houston. It's just if you like this look or not.